This is a short presentation about the globally harmonised system of classification and labelling of chemicals. It's prepared so that all workers in the Rivera farming group have an understanding of the new system. The globally harmonised system was introduced in Australia on the 1st of January 2012 under model work health and safety laws with a transition period of 5 years. This transition period was set to allow chemical manufacturers and importers enough time to reclassify chemicals and implement necessary changes to labels and SDSs. This globally harmonised system has been developed to give an internationally consistent message about information on chemical labels and safety data sheets. The criteria looks at physical hazards, health hazards and environmental hazards. Since its introduction, there have been a number of changes under work health and safety laws, and we're now using the 7th revised edition of this system. This was introduced in January 2021 in Australia, and Safe Work Australia now focuses on that implementation at the farm level. So what's changing under the globally harmonised system? The system will update the way in which information about the hazards of chemicals and any precautions necessary to ensure safe storage, handling and disposal is conveyed to users of chemicals. The system uses pictograms, signal words, and hazard and precautionary statements to communicate this information. Please note, the system does not change your general duties relating to the management of hazardous chemicals in the workplace. The first change in the globally harmonised system is pictograms. There are 9 hazard pictograms in the system that represent the physical, health and environmental hazards associated with chemicals. The second change relates to signal words. The system uses danger and warning as signal words to indicate the relative level of severity of the hazard. Danger is used for more severe or significant hazard, and warning is used for less severe hazards. The final change relates to hazard and precautionary statements. Hazard statements describe the nature of the chemical hazard. Precautionary statements cover prevention, response, storage and disposal. Hazard and precautionary statements replace the risk and safety phrases required under laws previously. While the globally harmonised system came into play in 2012, there has been a period of transition. The first part of the transition was to allow manufacturers to make label changes and upgrade the system, and there was a 5-year period to cover this. Since then, Safe Work Australia has been focusing on the end users. It's now up to us to ensure that we have the correct labels and SDSs when we're using and storing chemicals on farm. To help with this, there are some resources available. There has been a model code of practice put into your work health and safety folders on each farm. In addition, there is an information sheet that lists some more resources that can help you solve any issues relating to the new system, labelling requirements, and signage requirements on each farm.